So Adobe just released an amazing new feature to Premiere that I'm gonna show you guys. I was just editing a video and then I updated it and I just saw it, so I gotta show it to you guys. So as you can see right here, I'm just doing some commentary over gameplay. And for some reason this doesn't want to play while I'm recording. But anyways, that's what the video is. It's me just talking over a video game. And on the left side right here, if you look right here on the top of me, you can do a transcript of the video, which you already had before. It just you can just run the video through Adobe software, and then it just automatically transcribes it. If you want to do that, you just go to Window, and then you want to enable where is it? It should be under text. I don't know why it's showing not checked, but it's under text pretty much. And then from text, you can go to transcript, and on the transcript, it will allow you to automatically transcribe your video. But now what they added is that you can actually edit the video through the text. So for example, let's see if this plays. Okay, it's actually playing now.
That
so right here,
decently
I'm
well.
talking,
I played this game
and it's showing in real time as I'm talking on the top, as you guys can see. But right here in the video, there's a gap, and it detects the gaps in the video. So for example,
sides are like
I'm talking here,
properly.
and then it detects the 2.2-second gap on there. Now you can click on that right here, and then click backspace, and it automatically edits that out for you. So if you're doing any like talking head videos where people are pausing or anything, then you can just instantly just delete those parts of the video just by clicking on it. There's a gap right over here, for example. Boom, backspace, it deleted it. And now when you play out the video
properly, I can just play this game forever.
it's just the parts of me talking. So in any part of videos, you can see all the dialogue in here. If there's something like, for example, I say something and I mess up and I say it again, you can just delete that part of the video. Like, for example, let's say I don't want me saying that works. I can just circle that part, click delete, and boom, it just edits that part out and adds the ripple effect too. So it just brings it back together. I mean, this is really amazing. I mean, I just want to make a quick video on it because this is actually a really useful feature that you can use in pretty much any video people are talking. Any like, and it's not a thing that's like, oh, it just, makes it like so that AI does everything for it. This is just to remove pretty much any annoying work where you would have to, cut a video and then move stuff around. It just does it for you, which is really cool. So anyways, guys, hopefully this video was useful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.